Um, this episode does not require
Single brain
an
cell.
outline.
Single brain cell.
This is you will experience pure venting from us because today is about toxicity from the
Different
toxicity
sources.
we experience from different sources, friends, family,
The world.
and how the world, yes, and how difficult it is to deal with the toxicity. Sawang-sawa. Pagod na.
Grabe.
I think it's healthy to vent minsan-minsan.
Oo.
Na kailangan yung frustration. Yung frustration kasi part naman yan ng spectrum ng emotions. And it's no less valid than happiness, joy, excitement, diba? Anger, frustration. Pati yan ng spectrum ng emotions na dapat ina-express. So, hindi lang naman kami puro sabihin ko sana hindi tayo puro positive pero parang lately lahat ng mga mahihirap na conversations yung pinag-uusapan natin.
We need to feed the almighty algorithm something. So
let's be toxic today. Ayan. Pero bago tayo mag-dive dyan, I think it's important that we
simulan muna natin ng magaan.
Medyo positive.
Oo.
Highlights of the sige, mamaya na ako kasi yung akin super excited ako dito. 2 days ako
Sino muna? Ikaw ba, Chess?
Sige, ikaw muna. Sige.
Ako.
Highlight of your week. Or since nung nagkausap tayo.
Actually, hindi lang to parang week sa akin. Para siyang din. Some sort of change of perspective ko sa isang bagay. Kasal. Abot sa kasal.
Bakit kakasal ka na?
Hindi naman. Ano pa yan. Matagal pang yan. Pero, yun, yung may inatinan kaming kasal ni Nars, mga tropa niya, sila Jordan at Jessica. Congratulations guys.
Congrats. Shout out.
Ang ganda na. Ang dami ko na, hindi naman madami na. Siguro sa 5 naatinan kong kasal sa sa tala ng buhay ko. Ito yung nagano sa akin yung nagpabago ng isip na ang kasal hindi yan yung kung lang yung ipupush mo lang yung kahit na lang may rouse nyo lang yung kasal.
Makakuha ka lang ng certificate na.
Oo, yung gano'n. Kaya parang actually itong panahon natin medyo bumaba ang tingin sa kasal
Mm-hmm.
Unang-una kasi padalos-dalos ang isip ng mga tao sa mga relasyon. Hanggang point ng marriage na siya. 'Di ba yung nahantungan siya. Pero yun yung couple na yun, yung event na yun na bago niya yung yung pananaw ko sa kasal. Ang ganda kasi tsaka doon ko kasi nakita yung dalawang side ni Nars. Yung umiiyak na masaya. Tapos yung tunay na galak niya. Ito talaga yung Nars na masaya. Sa circle na to.
It's good.
Yung ko. Lagi ko naman siya nakikita sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero dun sa sa araw na yun, sa
genuine happiness.
Oo. Doon ko nakita na.
Good for you.
Sabi ko, someday sana makuha ko din. Hindi ko man makuha yung ganda nung sana makuha ko yung parang feeling ko din. Na sana kami naman yung mga main character dun sa kasal na yun.
And you deserve that. Pero ngayon pala, sinasabi ko, I got this on record. If you have a motif that's purple, yellow, blue, ayokong magmukhang macaroons o cupcake. I will not go to your wedding. Hindi ako pupunta. Legit.
Hindi, yung gagawin niya nun, papadala niya sa akin yung iPad niya. Mag-zoom meeting.
Mag-zoom mo.
Tapos pinubuhat mong ganyan.
Basta ganun yung napili niyong pink, yung mga lavender, mga ganyan, makulay.
Zoom meeting na lang.
Meron naman mga tasteful na, pero pag pinili niya yung color ng cupcake, pag nakita ko siya sa Krispy Kreme, yung kulay na yun. Hindi ako pupunta.
Ayun, Ang ganda rin, ang ganda talaga nung araw na yun, yung lugar, ay, Mula de Leticia, recommended sa
Mula?
Mula de Leticia.
Saan yun?
San Fernando ata yun.
Good
Yun,
for you.
ang gandang garden wedding nun.
Mm.
Tapos, yung same day edit, Lumen, ako, yung ewan ko yung studio na yun, recommended din. Ang ganda nung ano nila. Yung magugulat ka, ginawa lang tuloy isang araw.
Marami ng mga tools niya. Pero
Yun
it
nga
takes
yung,
talent.
yun, nung una duda pa ako
Keeping
eh.
it together.
Nung una duda pa ako ganyan talaga pag may tulong na ng AI, gano'n yung, hindi, pero may reputasyon na pala yung, yung studio na yun sa paggaan.
Siguro yung raw material, syempre, kailangan may gagamitin silang.
Oo,
May
tsaka
totoong
parang
footage.
biyasa na rin eh.
Saka
Parang,
professional ka.
sabi ko sana makuha ko rin yun. Pero yun, ang ganda nung araw na yun.
Okay. Well, good for you. Hopefully, it helps your vision of your marriage in the future. Yeah. Great week. Last week lang ba ito?
16, May 16.
16. Oh, Chester,
Okay.
your highlight.
Ay,
Bago ko
highlight of
ipakita
the-
yung highlight ko.
Yung highlight of the week ko is, dali lang. Let's do a simple math question.
Ah,
Okay.
First.
First.
Nagpamat pa.
Okay. First. Okay. Anong month ngayon?
May.
24. O May.
Ano ngayon?
Ewan ko, 24?
Oh,
24.
Oh,
Okay. Tapos, minus mo ng 6 yung 24.
minus ng 6.
Ano yung 24 minus 6?
Oh my God! Oh my God, I completely spaced. Birthday mo pala ng 18.
Yup.
Oh my God. Kalimutan namin.
Kalimutan natin kasi
Nagtatrabaho ako nun eh.
tapos nung naman time na yun, pagod dun sa kasal.
Hindi naman to usually nag-iitara, birthday ko.
Walang ganon.
Nakita ba tayo? Anong araw yung birthday mo?
Sundays.
Sunday, sakto.
Nagtatrabaho ako na. Well, belated happy birthday.
Thank
We
you.
missed it.
Oo.
No,
How-
It
old
was
is-
intentional.
Bakit meron bang party?
we just ate outside. Wonderful meal, steak. of course.
Sinong kasama mo? Kaya pala
Ano?
nag-aaya ka mag-steak ng isang araw, ha?
Lilibay ko sana kayo. Kaya nagbigay ako ng 1,000 ngayon. Kasi last day na ng birth week ko ngayon.
Oh my God, you completely spaced. 18
No,
nga
no,
pala.
no.
Pumapawa sigurado yan
Oo.
nung birthday niya. Walang nakakaalala.
Hindi
Siya
ko
yung
na
siya yung tawa na okay na
Okay.
makalimutan.
Ang alam ko doon sa week na yon, may walang pasok sa school, sa PhD. Tapos, makakapagpahinga ako kasi sobrang hectic ng schedule.
Oo.
Oh my God.
No, actually, I'm cool with this birthday gift.
We are
Nothing.
ashamed. We forgot.
This is their reaction. This is one of the
Akala ko
highlights
pa naman,
of my
ikaw,
week.
naalala mo.
Hindi ko na, siya lang nagpaalala. Kanina lang din.
Sunday. No? So, tapos ng dinner, ang ginawa niyo?
With my brother, syempre, bihira ko lang nakikita yung little bro ko because of medicine duty, medical student kasi siya, nag-duty na siya sa hospital.
Big time.
Siya na yung
St. Luke's, no?
siya na yung kukonsensyahin ko in the future niyan. So
Big
give it 5 years, baka mas mayaman pa siya sa'yo, Manuel.
Big time. Malaki sahod ng mga yan.
Tash sa Tapos, besides yung reaction ng mga to, nagkaroon ako ng na realization during my birthday na parang birthday gift ko sa akin. Na asaya-saya pala ng slow life. Slow life
Ha!
yung just taking it one day at a time. Just enjoying like even yung shower of the day, ganyan. Yung pagkagising sa umaga,
And
ganyan.
people call that mindfulness nowadays.
It's actually pretty pleasant. Tapos, I know na medyo confident ako sa pag-enjoy ko ng slow life because there's somebody na nag-question sa akin, "Bakit di ka pa nag-abroad? Ay, wala ka pang clinic, ganyan." And
Mm.
malaman siya sa akin, like, the pressure's not there. I was so close at making a joke and just laughing at this person's face. Sabi ko, oh, you don't know what you're missing. You don't know what you're missing. Because limited lang naman yung time natin sa sa mundong ito eh. Bakit why not just let it flow and enjoy? I'm not saying that you have to be lazy. I still have a job. I'm not exactly a bum. Pero
Hindi
you
ka
don't-
grind set mindset, no?
you just don't need to rush it. If the opportunity is there, take it.
Yeah.
It's not there, you can wait for the opportunity. Like opportunity to have a wife, girlfriend, kid, career advancement. Just enjoy the every minute, every hour of the days that you have left in this life.
Yeah.
Very,
yung
very-
ganyang klaseng pressure ng mga kakilala yan, toxicity yan. Toxic yan.
Oh.
Nakakainis yan. Alam, dapat sinagot mo dun. Bakit? Alam mo pa sa akin. Ikaw na kaya? Ikaw na.
Okay, bigyan mo ako. Total, gusto ko, di ba? O
Ikaw
bigyan mo sa akin.
Sige, mayan. Mag-abroad na tayo ngayon. Bigyan mo ako ng ano.
Oo nga eh. O, asan niya yung passport ko? Asan yung green passport ko?
Nakakalimutan ng iba yung, ang mga ganyan nagsasalita, minsan nakakalimutan nila yung privilege. Meron silang access. Nakakalimutan nila na may advantage sila kumpara doon sa, hindi lang basta tamad. Kaya yung, alam mo yung nagtitinda ng, yung nagtitinda ng kangkong chips.
Ah,
Shout out.
Nakita mo yung ano niya, yung post niya, hindi ko alam ang pangalan ng
so sinabi mo yung yung if you're 23 and
if you're, hindi ko alam kung 20 or 30. If you're 23 and you're broke, it's your fault. Move. Kanya ba? May
Oo.
Come on.
yan, toxic yan. Toxicity yung ganyang mindset. Good, slow down. Diba? Slow it down. Don't rush. Try your best. Diba? Yun na yun.
Enjoy every second of your life. It's not always positive or negative, but just enjoy the process. Don't rush to the destination. You know?
There's no point in rushing. Okay, you used to rush.
Hell
You know,
yeah.
high school, puro rush.
Hell yeah.
Ayun, ang bilis ng ano ngayon. Next job.
Wow.
But we all, who doesn't like money? Sino bang ayaw sa pera? But
Please subscribe.
we're probably doing this because of the, wala pa naman. The
Wala pa eh. Wala pa eh.
eventual
Pero
monetary
sana,
gain.
di ba?
We need that YouTube
Oo.
revenue.
But yun nga, the desire for money, the need for it, dapat nakabalance yan dun sa quality of life. But that's important. Mahirap yung balance. But it's always ongoing. There's never a perfect recipe or ideal point. It's always moving. If you need some more money, you try harder. If you're comfortable where you are, you slow down.
Yep. Just enjoy the work that you did.
Yeah.
Like, parang nag-ipon ka lang para sa PS5 or a certain PC part na when you bought it, you enjoy it. Okay?
I earn fine. I earn like comfortable money right now compared to before. So I'm saying that because I will share with you the highlight of my week. This is what money brings you. I work hard. Okay, I'm just going to self-validate. Right? I work really, really hard. I'm very good at my job. I'm not going to be ashamed. I always tell people that I know I'm good at what I do. I'm very bad at everything else probably, but this, I'm good at two things. Therapy, counseling, and well, I would like to say playing games, but I just buy shit now. So,
Nothing wrong with that.
yeah.
Nothing wrong with
The highlight of my week is actually, it's this. I bought, ako yung nahihiya sa, well, I didn't exactly buy this. I bought the 9070 XT Tai Chi.
Shout out AMD.
Yes. Suck it, Nvidia. I put the
We hope your shares go down.
iba na yung iba na yung Nvidia ngayon. Oh, Diyos ko.
Okay.
It's a shit show.
Positive.
Anyway, so I bought the Tai Chi. I put it on the system. Unfortunately, it's actually the first time siguro a month ago that graphics card died on me. Graphics card died. Thankfully, meron siyang warranty, and this baby is the replacement. So I actually got this for free. I didn't pay anything for this. Except yung una kong minaya, syempre kailangan nilang palitan. So this is a 9070 XT. It's pure white.
Please don't say
Ayan.
that, no? Please don't
Pure
say
white.
that.
Pure as a... Pure as snow. Pure as
Okay. Let's go.
pure as snow.
We might summon some...
Hindi ko lang makikita nila, but it's on my system back there. It's for my second PC. I have, well, 3 PCs. 2 of them are built. I just like tech. I like, yeah. Na-deprive ako nung una eh. Pero, I'm just giving myself excuses to, I thoroughly enjoy stuff like this.
He wouldn't
Gives
let
me
it.
motivation.
He wouldn't even let us touch it.
So, yeah. Highlight of my week. Really look forward to this one.
This is literally like his first daughter.
Well, the first daughter is actually the first, the 4K system.
Youngest daughter.
But, yeah.
Daughter of Thanos.
Actually, I would like to give a big shout out to the Tech Shop team sa Angeles.
ganda niyan.
They're super helpful. They helped me with everything, actually, putting the system together. They cleaned it. Yeah, they're just awesome. At they don't overprice shit. They actually give you good options. So.
Reasonable price na lang.
At pinipigilan pa nila ako sa paggastos, which is a huge plus. They give me deals, so I save.
Trust us, he needs it.
So, yeah. I need the... Pero, last kong pagpunta, pinakita nila sa akin yung... tinutokso nila ako doon sa X870 na motherboard, tsaka yung 9900X3D na CPU.
Oh, wow.
Sabi ko, kuya, ilayo mo sa akin yan. Hindi tayo pwede dyan ngayon.
Sure.
Someday, next upgrade. But yeah, it's the highlight of my week. I've enjoyed it. It's really awesome. I play Warframe on it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, Player Obscure. Sabi ko nga doon
Hell
sa
yeah.
pang Valorant ko lang to, tsaka ang sabi ko, hindi ako nagbabalo.
Minecraft?
Marvel's Rivals.
Marvel's Rivals.
Grabe, ganyan lang paggagamitan mo dyan. Yeah, I'm really proud of this.
Sino naman sa magiging future viewers, I would also like donation 9060 XT.
I also have an extra 7800 XT there. I'm going to build that into the third PC. It's going to be the streaming PC. Recording PC.
Oh.
So, awesome. Ayan, a bit of positivity before we dive into all the hellish toxicity that
Basically,
we've
we're
experienced.
showering before we dive into the shit.
Yeah. So,
Ano nang pinagmulan nitong idea na to?
we decided to, actually, that's a good question. We decided to film an episode on toxicity because we've experienced toxicity in different ways simultaneously in the recent weeks.
Etong taon lang na to.
May iba-ibang mode ng toxicity. Introduce ko muna yung toxicity ng yung mga toxicity natin bawat isa. Hindi yung sa atin pero yung mga na-experience natin. Yung akin, So as you know, I work primarily as I help people. I help people through their problems. I thought that one advantage of being able to be a professional counselor and a therapist is I would be able to provide help to my friends. Diba? The people that I, care about. Diba? Yung kasama mo, yung spend time with them, they have problems, they have easy access to you. I realized that sometimes, just like, it's not really a big realization, pero I just realized now that your friends may not be receptive to the kind of help that you're giving. Naiintindihan ko naman bakit niya hindi natatanggap. Ang bigat, siguro ang bigat lang na
Kasi capable ka eh. Capable ka kasing ayusin eh. Pero ayaw niyang
You're
ipaayos.
very confident about your capabilities.
I know the approach works.
Oo.
I know that what I'm saying is going to help.
Oo.
The frustrating part is the
Ayun.
other person does not see that what I'm saying is helping. Meron pa siyang mga dinaanan kung ano-anong mga binasa niya daw or what, bago pa niya pinakikinggan.
Oo.
Sabi pa nga niya sa akin, hindi, nag-e-explain nga ako. Hindi ko makita eh. Kaya I can't see it. Kaya parang wala naman. Parang siguro ganito, ganyan. Oh my God, it's so...
Okay.
Ang hirap nung resistance niya. At, the most toxic part there, I will delve into it later, is that, siguro yung hinahanap ng tao na to is for me to validate yung anger and yung frustration niya na binabato niya sa iba. I'm not talking about like people do sa immediate like relationships. I'm talking about a whole culture. A whole culture that he hates. That this person hates. Ang hirap. Oh my God. Not just a whole culture, but like an actual, even a way of life. A particular sexuality is the cause of the issues that this person is encountering. So, sumuko ako nung sabi ko pa, hindi ko pa nasabi yun sa iba yung parang, ay, hindi ako dapat kinakausap mo dyan, hindi tayo magkakasundo. Sinabi ko yun, for the first time.
Hindi mo nasabi sa akin yan.
Hindi ko, kasi may patience ka. Although magkakamukha yung mga tendencies nyo nung kinakausap ko. Pero may mas receptive ka kasi eh, tsaka hindi ka. Ako pa. Tapos nung ine-explain ko, ano pa siya? Inatak pa niya ako.
Oo.
Inatak
Lumabas
pa
ka
niya
kasi
ako.
ng kwarto mo.
Ako pa yung lumitaw na walang alam. Ay, sabi ko. Sige. Sabi ko, hindi na, this conversation is going nowhere.
Oo.
Sabi ko, kung hindi mo pala binavalue yung opinion ko, then why share in the first place? Bakit ka hihingi ng tulong, di ba? So that's mine. That's where I'm coming from.
Ladies and gents, di ba? Superman has kryptonite. Batman has found his kryptonite.
Oh, pareho pa naman silang yung crystal, matalas yan. Right. There are similarities in the kulay green din yun. Medyo mag-green.
Medyo green siya.
Di ba? Ako, genuinely, I wanna help.
Yes.
Pero I don't think, I reached the point where I don't think I have the capacity to understand why this person is refusing. And doon ko na feel like it's okay to give up. Diba? I'm not the problem here. So, yeah.
Takes two to tango. Wala akong magagawa. Kung dinadrag ka na nung partner mo.
Oh, ikaw, anong klaseng toxicity naranasan mo?
Ito ba, buong year ba itong recent na
Recent, yung sariwa. Yung sariwa. Yung sariwang memories.
Wala na.
ano lang, no? Yung ano to feeling ko ito yung dapat baliin ng mga matatanda ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, no?
Oh,
na
ano?
when yung mga anak nyo is na-enter na yung stage na magiging magulang na rin sila kagaya nyo,
Ah,
I think it will be the best time
to stop being
na
a parent.
you need to watch.
Ah,
They're already grown adults.
They're grown as
Oh.
adults.
mm,
Ano yung unplanned or planned. Kailangan mo na silang kailangan mo na mag-let go. As hindi naman yung parang iiwan mo na
mm.
but
May line.
tapos na yung pagiging commanding mo
Mm.
sa kanya kasi yung anak mo na yun is nasa next step na ng buhay, which is to be a parent or na meron na rin siyang hinahawakang buhay.
Wala na sa'yo ang
Oo.
manibela.
Oo. Ang hindi kayo na ang ito lang, hindi kayo inaalisan ng karapatan na
Mm.
na manatil or yung malayo sa ano mo.
Mm.
Ang pinakaano mo na diyan, whatever happens, dapat siguro hayaan mo na silang i-handle yung mga bagay-bagay, the good, the bad, and the ugly sa relationship.
Mm.
Ngayon, kung ikaw, toxic ang magulang, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan,
Oh.
yung ano, siguro, bukod sa nababastos mo ni anak mo, nababastos mo rin yung partner niya.
Mm.
Yun yung, doon yung,
Mm.
and, alam ko naman na ayaw mo yun, kung ikaw yun.
Mm.
Kung ikaw ay nandun sa lugar na yun, ayaw mo ding, ino-command. Pero na lang, kung hindi mo alam ang buhay, na para kang, na dekada ka nang nabubuhay, pero ngayon ka lang nilabas ng bahay. Yun, parang magano ka na, feeling ko, eto dapat maging aware yung mga matatanda rito na, hindi naman sa hindi na kayo kailangan, pero dapat, yung, mas natututo.
Mm.
Hindi namin binabaliwala yung experiences nyo, yung mga
Wisdom. Your wisdom
ito.
still,
Pero may
strictly.
merong mga, actually, mas marami natututunan sa experience mismo. Yung mga experience mismo nung mga bata yun.
Strictly, consultation
Oo.
na lang talaga yan.
Oo.
Hindi na sila dapat yung nagdadrive.
Like, ay,
Especially
kailangan ko ng
kung-
opinion dito, ganyan. Yun lang.
Taga-operate ka na lang ng GPS at best. Yun na lang talaga. Taga-navigate ka na lang.
Oo.
Hindi na dapat ikaw ang... Lalong-lalo na pag may anak na.
Oo, especially, hindi pa, mas lalo na siguro yung lahat na lang ng desisyon nila para do sa bata is ikaw pa rin ang masusunod. Hindi mo anak yun. Hindi ikaw ang nagluwal nun.
Mm.
Eventually, ang mahihirapan lang naman is yung mga magulang talaga. Kasi magdudulot yan ng, nag-rely kayo masyado kay ganito eh. Nasa na siya ngayon yung, di ba? Ang hirap explain eh kasi wala, parang nagigets ko yung guy, suffocated na siya doon sa bahay. At the same time, parang yung
Ang hirap na nga maging parent, may nagpapadagdag ka pa.
may ito na lang dyan eh. Isa lang anak nila, bet parang dalawa.
Oo, ba't dinadagdagan mo?
Oo.
Pati yung magulang.
Oo.
Oo.
Ba't kailangan kang intindihin? Matanda ka na. Yun yung matindi ron. Dapat ikaw ang pinaka intelihente rito. Yung ganun. Ba't ikaw pa kailangan intindihin? Wala ka namang amnesia, dementia, or anything mental na kailangan kang intindihin ng mas bata sa'yo. Ikaw ang matanda. Ikaw ang dapat mas nakakaintindi sa kung anong struggles ng mga bata dahil napagdaanan mo yun. Tsaka dapat ikaw ang matanda. Dapat mas alam mong mas nakakatuto pag may nagkakamali.
Mm.
Mhm.
Ang mga matatanda ngayon, ayaw nilang magkamali yung mga bata. Yun yung napansin ko.
Mhm.
Ayaw nilang, ayaw nila ng sumubo kayo, ganyan. Ayaw nila ng ganun. In hindsight, yung hindi nila alam.
Baka naman
Oo, yung,
control freak lang yung
which is, pumunta tayo doon sa side nung anak. I think you also need to step up sa pagiging parent at asawa mo.
Mm.
'Di ba na hindi ka na magulang, ay hindi ka na anak
Anak. Hindi
lang.
ka na anak.
Hindi ka na anak lang. Magulang ka na. Yun
Da-
yung ano mo diyan eh.
Naintindihan ko yung sinasabi. Dalawang roles yan, kaya nagkakaroon ng conflict dyan eh.
Oo, yun nga.
Hindi siya, ano ba to? Well, if you are a daughter or a son,
Mhm.
tapos you're also a father,
Oo.
you don't stop being the daughter just because you're
A father.
a father or a mother. You will always have that part. Especially if there's a person in your household enforcing you to be on the role na you are the daughter. So you are,
You
you
just
know,
follow
you
the
follow.
command.
You follow. Ganyan. Ang hirap mag-ano dyan, ang nakaka-confuse yung role. Lalo na kung may issues.
Na hindi nalutas.
May issues yung person dun sa role niyang umpisa na, kasi kung may issues ka in your role of being a daughter, you will have issues in your role of being the mother. The issues will be, yung specific na issue, iba-iba, hindi na, it's complex, pero magkakaroon. At yung issue din nung, if the grandparent will have issues then, mahirap. Kasama siya doon sa mix.
Mm-mm.
So may dalawang roles. Do I take responsibility or do I become obedient and subservient and follow? Naiipit siya dun.
Oo.
Pero there is an instance where the grandparent, siyempre maayos yung parenting niya. They can let go. Wala silang insecurity o ego dun sa
Oo,
growth ng
yun.
ano nila. Wala silang stake. So, I've given you all the skills. Go ahead, do your thing. Pag pag kailangan ng advice pag matinong parenting, babalik. O ma, ganito, anong payo mo dito? That's the healthy way.
Oo. Consultant.
Pero kung yung the mother is such a helicopter freak na talaga, no, this is the way we do it. This is the way we ganyan. So, naiipit yung yung role niya dun sa household, daughter siya. Hindi siya yung mother nung son. Parang kapatid niya yung anak niya.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
At hindi niya magagawa yung
Siyempre,
duties
dahil
niya.
yung role nung supposedly mother nung child is daughter, so syempre, yung asawa niya, yun din, kapareho. Parang kapatid lang nung anak nila.
Oh.
Hmm.
So,
And, nakakaano yun. Pagka nag-grow up na yung anak.
all the
That's
power,
not.
all the power in the system is on this one person.
Mm-mm.
You will notice this. This is how you know that all the power is in one system. When they can confidently make decisions without consulting the other parts of the system.
Mhm.
Kasi alam, overridden kayo eh.
Authoritarian na
Diba?
siya. Autocrat.
Sila yung nakaran as admin sila sa pumpisi.
Judge, jury, and executioner sila.
Nababypass kayo. And it's fine. Because, well, one, yun nga, may nag-agree.
May enabler.
Nag-agree. Kasi sanay silang
Nagpa-facilitate.
mag-agree. Kailangan namang ang hirap mag-say no.
Sa matanda.
Di lang sa matanda. Sa
Somebody
matanda.
you love. Somebody
Yeah.
you love.
It's hard to say
Kasama
no to
yung love.
somebody you love.
Kasi, di ba, whether or not they're a good parent, we are conditioned as children to love your parents.
Mm-hmm.
And loving a parent means that we are disincentivized to refuse, to say no, to criticize. Kasi saying no to a parent or criticizing them means that you will receive love less. This is especially, mas matindi to kung talagang kulang na nga yung binibigay na love nung parent, lalong magiging anxious itong anak. Na, oh, nako, talagang kailangan, di ako nagkakamali, talagang kailangan, tinatanggap ko lahat. That's the problem in that dynamic.
Tapos, dahil nangyari ang vicious cycle, nasasanay yung parent, ay, so pwede kong gamitin to para kontrolin sila.
Yeah.
And then bit by bit, it gets worse and worse.
And hindi na sila aalis doon kasi syempre, di ba, yung kung kalabaw ka, doon ka sa kung saan ka nakakakain. Sariwang sariwa
Nakatali
yung
ka
damo
man,
dito.
nakatali ka man, may pagkain ka eh.
Oh, di ka alis.
Or in leader terms, you got power. You got drunk on it.
Intoxicating yan.
Intoxicating yung ability to dominate somebody. And power absolutely corrupts.
Unfortunately, not everyone who's capable of taking power are capable of making rational decisions. Diba? Minsan, kung ano, minsan, yung mga decisions nila, questionable at best.
Oh.
Diba? Lalong, someday, may mga decisions na gagawin yan na ikakapahamak nung the child in this family, in this circumstance. Merong decisions na gagawin yung primary na magiging it's not correct despite of the warnings na ibibigay ng other parties in the system, in the family. Hindi maha-harm yung child. At kapag nangyari yon, sinong i-blame? So pag may maling nangyari, kunyari, dinala sa witch doctor, tapos may nangyaring napilay na lalong lumala, tatanggapin ba nung may idea na, mali ako, dapat hindi ko na kasi sinadjust yun? Hindi ganyan mangyari.
Hindi mo ganun mangyari.
Yung pa ding...
Because, babalik doon sa unang cause.
Babalik.
Nasanay sila.
Ang ano yan. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, kung sinunod nyo na ako nung una pa lang, dinala na natin agad, ganyan. Toxic yan.
Toxic talaga.
Mapapansin ninyo yung yung difference ng dalawa. Yung consultant na healthy, sasabihin, okay, so nandito na tayo sa sitwasyon na ito. Ito yung suggest ko. Yung toxic variety naman, sasabihin, yan! Kasi, hindi mo sinunod. Yan na! Nadali! Yan. Papamuha nila sa iyo yung mali mo. Yung healthy, sasabihin nila, ay, nangyayari talaga minsan yan
It's okay.
It's okay. Sige, ano na yung move natin? Ano yung matutulong ko sa inyo?
Yung heavy criticism perpetuates the power dynamic.
Yes!
If I eviscerate your self-esteem, na konti na lang yung hindi ka na susuway.
And you're more pliable with that way. Ay, yes! Meron na akong minion. Kahit na ayaw nilang i-admit yun.
Toxic yan. At ang hirap sa ganyan, kapag sanay ka sa toxic, mahirap umalis doon sa toxic.
Oo. Kasi akala mo, sariwang hangin na nalalanghap mo.
Doon ka sanay
Parang yung previous video, yung Devil's Little Tricks. Please watch that again. Okay.
Actually, abusive people are toxic people, so pare-pareho lang yan. And they have one thing in common. Toxic people will struggle with seeing that it is they have a problem within themselves. They need to, and that makes them very resistant to any kind of treatment.
Yep.
Kasi kung wala ka man doon sa stage na, there's something wrong with me. This is my shit. I caused this shit. Kung wala siyang ganun, wala. There's no therapy or approach or whatever And even religious intervention can do something about that. Nakita ko na yan. Nakita ko ng actually, religion can be twisted to validate
Ooh, there it is.
the toxicity. I have seen a father who physically abuses yung mga children niya. Say that it is word for word. I didn't believe it when I heard it, but word for word, it is my righteous. My God given, it is my righteous duty to to punish, to correct my children.
Okay, so lang yung comment ko dyan.
Righteous anger. My
That
God.
is so anti-Christian of you.
Hmm.
Remember, the Antichrist loves self-righteous assholes.
Malalagay mo doon sa sayo. Pero bambahid yung primary na yun na, teka, tama ba tong desisyon ko? Ito ba dapat yung... Baka mali ako, hindi ko lang alam. Walang ganun.
Oo, walang ganun. Na taas leg talaga na kahit taas noo, tigas leg. Na tama ako sa mga desisyon ko.
Itama natin sa questions. Christ did that. Basahin niyo yung Bible. May mga times na iniisip rin niya, tama ba to? Diba? So, are you better than Christ, Christians? Just needling it. Just needling those sons of bitches.
Nagche-cherry pick kasi sila ng mga Nagche-cherry pick sila ng mga instances. Pisan, basta ito pa people miss it. Ako hindi ako expert sa Bible, pero I know that the Old Testament is very different from the New Testament.
Oh, they love the Old Testament so
The Old Testament, God is very
order.
Talagang nagpa-punish. May mga extreme punishments dun eh. So pag gusto nilang, when they wanna validate their abusive behavior, they quote the Old Testament.
Yes. Actually, yun yung dichotomy ng Bible. Na, to expand Manel's point. Alam niyo yung, sinasabi nila yung open to interpretation. Yung New Testament, wala talaga siyang hard rules. There is one guiding principle throughout the New Testament. Love. L-O-V-E. Yung order, yung rules, throw away yan. Christ already, basically, yung reset button yung New Testament. Sabi nga, kasi, na-realize, si Christ mismo nagsabi, yung Old Testament ways natin, it's not working. Lads, it's not working. So, instead of just following order, rules, punishment, fear, fear. Instead of being ruled by fear, why not just rule by love? L-O-V-E. Love.
Pero ginagamit lang nila yung love na yan kapag gusto nilang pag-love sa kanila.
Oo. Na yung sila re-receive.
Honor. Yung honor your mother and father.
Yeah.
Pero meron din namang
but not your kids. Don't honor your kids. Just your
meron ding verse na respetuhin niyo rin ang mga anak niyo.
Yes.
Hindi nila siguro sa tala ng buhay ko 2 beses pala nag-highlight sa akin ng mga hindi ko pa ka-close yung out of naman ng usapan.
The funny thing is, yung mga hindi pa ganun ka-religious, yun yung mga nakaka-realize ng point ng New Testament.
Actually. Yes. Actually.
Hindi nyo papansin?
Yeah.
Pagka nakakita ka ng Bible thumper, and they always quote the Old Testament, that's a red flag right there. Freak away from that guy or girl.
No. Religious ba yung
Sabi daw.
Okay.
Sabi daw.
Cherry on the top.
Cherry on the top.
Ano lang, minsan, maggagadgad siya.
Actually, yung dynamic ng family, which is doon ako nainis, yung The daughter seeks help
Mm.
para makausad yung asawa at anak niya na yung maging sila, maging matatag na pamilya. Pero napapayuhan siya ng
Ang relihiyosong
ng kulang lang kayo sa dasal.
Naku po, Diyos ko,
Na
narinig ko na
na
naman.
mentality.
Nakret kami.
Oo.
Narinig ko na naman.
Nakret tayo.
Na-trigger na naman ako.
Yung mentality na wag na iwasan niyo na lang na para hindi na magkagulo. Kailangan nga yung conflict Kailangan nga may sumagot para madinig na mali na siya Yun yung dun ito yung una diyan kasi nga dahil lumihinga siya ng toxic na hangin. Paano mo masasabi sa kanya na mali na yung ginagawa mo, toxic yung hinihingan mong lugar. Oh. Pero dahil hindi, tama lang yung environment niyo, pamilya kayo diyan. Kulang lang kayo sa dasal. Yun doon ako na wala nang to. Kawawa yung
Easy lang.
kawawa yung doon yung
May mas
actually ang kawawa doon yung tatlo. Yung asawang babae, yung asawang lalaki, pati yung bata. Kasi imbis na magawa nila yung tamang role para sa kanilang tatlo at mabuo yung relasyon nila sa bawat isa. Wala, napupunta yung tatlo dun sa matanda. Silang tatlo parang technically, yun yung nanay, tas magkakapatid lang yung tatlo.
Oh, child, because that's the exact dynamic that
ganun yung nangyari
should
doon.
be perpetuated. Kasi all the power is in the mother. Pero here's the a lot more messed up fact there. Hindi siya yung mother, not the parent. So she can absolve herself of the responsibility when she wants to.
oh my God.
That's the worst. Yung, this is not really my child, this is your ganyan-ganyan, so this is your thing. Pero pag gusto kong, when it benefits me, I will be the parent. Ako muna yung kukontrol.
They want the power but none of the
For example,
accountability.
Doon sa bahay, yung day-to-day, yung mga conflict, ganyan nga. Walang, Pero pag it's time to show off the child,
oh my God, the classic.
they will take credit.
Oh, yes.
Di ba? Kaya kong maglipat-lipat to sa role. Kasi hindi nga defined So I just cherry pick the moments that will benefit me. Pero kapag hard times na, well, screw you. Anak niyo yun
Hindi pinababayaan niyo yung
Which is alam ko na ganyan na siya.
Kung familiar yung dinidescribe ni Manuel, maraming ganito ng mga boss. Yung they want all the glory. When it fucks up. When everything is shit up.
Credit grabber na yan.
And everything is tits up. For the British. For the British brewers said that. Alam niyo naman yung when everything went tits up. They disappear. Like, oh my God, suddenly they have a sick leave. They want to go to the vacation. It's not their fault. Oh my God, they got incompetent subordinates. So,
ano ko yan? Nakakapagod pa lang pag-usapan yung mga ganyan.
Nakakaano yan.
But this is good for content. Let's go.
You have toxic people in your family. You have toxicity in
Ito
your
yung
workplace.
mahirap. Yun yung mahirap Kung ikaw lang, kung ako talaga, what if napunta tayo sa mundong walang emotions? Sigurado ayaw nyo nang kasama yan. Yung parang, hindi, alis na ako, yung ganyan ka pala Pero dahil, nilalagay nyo pa ng La Familia na,
La Familia is all.
Linyahan.
La Familia.
All.
Hindi nyo ba na-realize na nasa-suffocate nyo yung mga dapat na,
ano bang meaning ng family?
Ano bang munang meaning ng family? Kaya hindi nyo masisisi. Sinasabi nyo black sheep, yung mga sinasabi nyo nagrebelde, umalis, nag-disconnect. Ako lang Sila kasi nakakita na may mali doon sa sistema ninyo. Lahat kasi nung mga lahat nung mga puting tupa niyo ng mga bata, sunod-sunuran lang. Sila yung nakakita na may mali, pero ayaw niyong tanggapin na may mali.
Mhm.
Tapos hindi niyo matanggap na bata ka lang, hindi mo alam 'yon, yung lagi hindi niyo pinapakinggan yung boses ng iba. Especially nung mga sinasabi nilang black sheep.
Para silang shepherds, black sheep,
The
white
thing,
sheep.
the thing about the black sheep
Yan.
pang isa na yan is
Oo.
they are bred animal. They are bred to work for the affection that they want. So I have to be extra tolerant, extra this, extra that. I have to relinquish a lot of my power
An agency.
to be able to agency to be able to satisfy and be accepted. And hindi yan notice ng taong wala ng power because they're used to being powerless. Why would you be aware of your right being stripped if you're used to not having any? Hindi, wala kang awareness niyan.
You were born in this world. You were nurtured to be a slave. Of course, the only thing you know is being a slave.
In fact, if ipo-point out mo yan, hindi naman. Hindi nila makikita.
No, denial agad. Deny.
If you hint at the possibility that the system that they've been in for years is messed up or problematic, they will attack you.
Because it's like attacking their identity. It's like attacking their person kasi yun lang yung
Binebreak mo yung illusion.
Oo. Tinatry mo masaya itong illusion ko rito eh. Dito, may power ako. Yung ganun. Dahil ikaw, parang kang, hindi yan yung tunay na mundo. Hindi ka dapat ganyan. Hindi, dito na. Parang droga. Parang droga. Na dahil masaya dito, hindi ka aalis.
At saka for the Bible
Kahit na
thumpers,
masira mo na yung mga nasa baba mo.
sa mga Bible thumpers dyan, if you read the book of Genesis, do you think it's kind of familiar? Adam and Eve, the damn snake, diba? I'm sure you know this story.
Yeah.
Old Testament na naman.
Actually, makakatulong dyan. It's actually if there's may mediator, someone outside the system that's going to fix it. Then again, a therapist like that not only will cost, diba, money, pero it will need to be accepted by the system as a part of the...
Ito pa yung mahirap sa mga ganyang klase ng tao. Let's keep it in the family.
Oh, there it is.
So paano nila i-welcome yung mediator?
So
Diba?
talagang re-regurgitate na lang nila yung shit nila sa toxicity. Keep it in the family. What the heck?
Recommend ko manood kayo ng Coco for the Keeping It in the Family. What happens? Okay?
Keeping it in the family.
Diba?
Madaming yung mga ganyang
Ang daming natamaan
movie
dyan. Ang daming natamaan.
Ang daming problema ang hindi
Ay, Coco,
na
hindi pala
solusyonan.
Coco. Encanto, sorry. Encanto. Edit mo na lang Coco.
Ano kasi pangalan ng bida doon? Si
Maribel.
Mirabel? Si Mirabel.
Tsaka Don't Talk About Bruno.
Si Bruno pala yung nila.
Oo, si Bruno yung black sheep. Pero in the end, the black sheep is the one that's saving their asses.
Actually, magandang depiction ng transgenerational trauma yung movie na yun.
Yung Coco maganda rin ng movie, pero yung sinasabi mo, Encanto.
Coco, nakakaiyak yun.
Ay, solid yung Coco.
Lalo
na yung ending song.
Me.
Lalo na yung ending song with the grandma. Ooh, that hits you in the heart. Let's go.
I don't wanna see.
Oo, dapat ganun ang relasyon ng lola at apo.
Ay, oo.
Dapat ganun lang yung relasyon ng lola at apo, yung may bond sila na
Nakikialam ba yun?
wala siyang Yun, di ba actually dalawa na yung lola eh. Yun,
Oh,
lola na sa tuhod
great,
yun eh.
great.
O yun talagang
grandma.
ano na lang siya eh, band na lang talaga na ano eh. Alam mong napaka
your instinct
clear
na lang.
clear mind na ano na eto na yung mga maiiwan ko, kailangan makapag-iwan ako ng eh yung isang lola doon, controlling. Controlling siya lahat ng pamahiin, paniniwala, kasamaan nung
Pati pagtatawas ng
Oo.
mga ganyan.
Ay, yun. Yun yung mga ano, talagang kahit wala ka na sa katwiran, dapat masunod ka.
Dahil matanda ka.
Oo.
Oh,
Ang sarap
keep
maging
it in the
matanda. No?
family.
Any word na sabihin mo, kailangan irespeto nung ano, bawal umapila.
Pero pag ikaw ba tumanda ka na, tapos question ka ni Max in the future, kaya mo bang tanggapin yun?
Ba, hindi. Kasi, bata lang siya. Anong alam niya sa buhay?
Oh my God, you walk into that one, man.
Di ba? O, di ba? Di ba yun yung ano nyo? Oo.
Kasi ikaw magulang.
Oo,
no?
ako magulang. Alam ko mas nakakabuti sa
Papunta
kanya.
pa lang
Oo.
sila, pupunta lang. Ano kasi yung ano? Pupunta pa lang sila, pabalik ka na, no?
Oo. At hindi ka uusad kasi nasa akin yung pamasahe.
My God, Manuel, you're a cruel, cruel man.
Pero sa totoo, ma-handle mo yun.
Oo, pala ako, yung ganyang klase ng ano, ganyang klase ng approach. Alam kong darating ang time. Especially actually, mas palagay ko marireceive ko to kay Dave yun. Darating yung time na makakarinig ako ng pinakamasasakit na salita sa mga anak ko.
And you're prepared for that.
And prepared ako dun. After all, present man ako sa isa at absent ako sa isa. Pareho ako nagkukulang.
So, ready ka doon sa ang unfair,
Oo.
diba? Ginago mo kami, mga gano'n.
Oo, yung mga ganun.
Mga ganun, ready ka na.
Or yung may times na, ang tawag dito lang.
Lalo na si Carl.
Oo, yung ano.
Sa pangano yan. Yung
Yung-
mga panahong isa ka pang ano. Kalahi ka pa nung isa. Yung isang nakaka-toxic.
Oo, yun. Ako talaga, ang pinaka, ano ko sa parents, parang leader sa Ants. Ants tuloy. Bugs Life.
Ooh,
Oh.
let's go.
Yung-
Let's go vintage.
You're a leader.
Hmm.
Yung ganun yung, if anything goes wrong, it's your fault.
Oh,
Yun yung parang, dapat ano mo yun. Panindigan mo yun.
kasama ng burden ng power.
Oh, that is the burden of power.
Kung hindi ka pa pwedeng leader, ako yung leader, dapat ako masunod dito yun. Bawal ako makriticize yung gano'n. Hindi. Kasama sa pagiging leader mo na maano ka. Kung nireklamo ka ng anak mo, kung pinuri ka niya, lahat yung parte ka nun. Hindi yun basta ano lang.
Masarap yung ako yung power. Pag nagkamali ako, kasalanan nyo.
Oo.
Kasalanan nasa ilalim.
Oo,
Akin
yung-
lang yung masarap.
Oo.
Everybody loves getting drunk in power.
Kung sinunod nyo ako kaagad.
Oh.
Diba? Kung sinunod nyo ako kaagad.
But no one likes the hangover of accountability and the burdens, baby. They like the drunkenness.
Ito.
Maririnig na naman ni DJ yung response mo yun. Ako talaga.
Times that DJ. Ditch.
Toxic pa lang namin dalawa yan, ha? Ikaw, wala pa yung toxicity
Hindi
na
ko
sa'yo?
pa ini-explore yung ano nung sa akin eh. We'll get back to you. There's a lot to talk about. The whole jumbled mess, but ayan.
This is a venting.
Iba ibang toxicity.
Nakaka-drain.
Nakapagod pala to.
Oo.
It might
Kasi
be
matatandaan mo yung
confirmation, guys.
yung trigger, yung moment na na-trigger ka sa kanila eh.
Dasal, thanks.
Ang dasal yun. GPT, doon ako na ano. Tapos, hindi ko alam.
Mag-listening po ako mga
Actually, yan nga eh.
May mas matindi pa siyang masabi doon. Kaso, baka